Hello everyone! In the vast realm of science fiction, few factions evoke as much fear as the Borg from Star Trek and the Daleks from Doctor Who. Both species are relentless, technologically advanced, and possess the drive to dominate. An interstellar war between these two formidable foes would be a cataclysmic event, characterized by their high-level strategy, adapting, and destruction. In this video, we'll explore the possible scenarios and outcomes of such a conflict, drawing distinct characteristics and capabilities of both the Borg and the Daleks. The Borg were introduced in Star Trek Next Generation as a cybernetic collective. The primary objective is to achieve perfection through assimilation of diverse species and technologies. The Borg operate as a hive mind, with individual drones acting as one under the direction of the Borg Queen. Their strength lies in their ability to adapt to threats, assimilate technology, and their sheer numbers. The key attributes of the Borg includes 1. The adaptation and assimilation. The Borg can quickly adapt to enemy weapons and tactics. Their ability to assimilate other species and technologies forces them to constantly evolve. 2. The hive mind. The collective's consciousness allows for instantaneously communication and strategy, making them exceptionally effective in combat. 3. Superior technology. The Borg cubes, their primary vessel, are massive, resilient, and heavily armored. They're equipped with advanced shielding and have the ability to self-repair. Now let's review the Daleks from Doctor Who. They're genetically engineered mutants, housed in a tank-like mechanical shell. Their singular goal is to exterminate non-Dalek life forms, driven by their belief of racial superiority. The Daleks are known for their ruthlessness, strategy, and advanced technology. The key attributes of the Daleks include 1. Armored shell. The Dalek casing is heavily armored and is equipped with powerful weaponry, including gun sticks and defensive shields. 2. Superior intelligence. The Daleks have access to vast amount of data, allowing for sophisticated strategic planning. 3. Time travel. The Daleks have time travel, which can be used for their strategic advantage, altering timelines to suit their purpose. In the initial stages of the conflict, the Borg's adaptability and the Daleks' sheer firepower will lead to a series of devastating battles. The Borg will likely begin by attempting to assimilate the Dalek technology and their biology, seeking to understand and counter the Dalek weaponry. However, the Daleks' advanced defensive capabilities and their ability to nullify the Borg's assimilation efforts would present a significant challenge. As the war progresses, both sides will change their strategies. The Borg collective intelligence would analyze the Dalek tactics, adapting their approach to minimize losses and maximize assimilation efficiency. The Daleks, on the other hand, will likely use their time travel capabilities to attempt to strike the Borg at critical points in their history. The longer the war continues, two key points will become significant. 1. The technological arms race. The Borg will seek to incorporate any available Dalek technology, potentially leading to the creation of a hybrid Borg-Dalek drones. These drones could possess upgraded firepower and defensive capabilities, posing a significant threat to the Daleks. On the other hand, the Daleks might attempt to develop new weapons, specifically designed to counter the Borg's adaptability. 2. Temporal warfare. The Dalek time travel could be a critical factor. They might target key moments in Borg history, attempting to disrupt the collective's formation or critical battles in their past. The Borg, on the other hand, rarely use time travel. They could use the technology to counteract the Daleks if possible. There are several potential outcomes that could occur from this conflict, each contingent on the strategic and technological development of both species. We'll start with the least unlikely outcome to the most possible scenario. 1. A Borg victory. If the Borg is able to assimilate key Dalek technologies and biology traits, they could potentially overcome the Dalek defenses and secure a victory. The collective will then integrate with the Dalek attributes, becoming an even more formidable force in the galaxy. 2. Stalemate. Given the adaptive capabilities of the Borg and the strategic ingenuity of the Daleks, a prolonged stalemate is conceivable, solely depending on if the Borg can assimilate enough Daleks to put their faction on a level playing field. Neither side would be able to deliver a decisive blow, leading to an ongoing war of attrition that spans across space and time. 3. The Dalek victory. Utilizing their time travel ability to their fullest extent, the Daleks could disrupt the Borg at critical moments, preventing their rise to power or deliver a decisive blow that could cripple the collective's ability to adapt and regenerate. Another possibility is by using their superior weapons to eradicate the Borg. The aftermath of such a war would have profound implications on the galaxy. A Borg victory will likely result in accelerated assimilation of other species, with the collective incorporating the Dalek aggression and efficiency into their operations, posing an even greater threat to other civilizations. In contrast, the Dalek victory could reinforce their ideology and racial superiority, potentially leading to a renewed campaign of extermination against other species. In conclusion, the war between the Borg and the Daleks represent an ultimate clash between two of science fiction's most iconic antagonists. Both species are defined by their pursuit of dominance. The whole scenario relies on the Borg's ability to assimilate the Daleks. If this ability is prevented, they'll start to be exterminated, very similar to what happened to them when they faced species 8472. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification button to keep yourself updated with my channel. For more sci-fi content, then please check out these other two videos, my socials, and my newsletter to get an array of science fiction information on a weekly basis. Thank you for watching Utopian broadcast, and I will see you next time on my channel. Thank you.